Mr. Muhammad Azrul Muhammad Dali, Director, Northern Region Office, Malaysia Productivity Corporation, MPC. Mr. Edwin Lai, Organizer of Smart Factory and MALT. Mr. Ricky Su, Machinery and Engineering Industries Federation, MEIF. Mr. On Boon Leong, Principal Software Engineer, Network and Edge Group, Intel Microelectronics Penang. Mr. Sharul Azmi Zaki, Country Manager, RMX Malaysia. Distinguished guests, captains and colleagues from the industry, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Very warm welcome to all of you. I know it's a little bit strange, someone from KL greeting Penang people in Penang. It is both an honor and a privilege to embark on a journey through the landscapes of productivity, sustainability, and technological marvels within the M&E sector with all of you today. First and foremost, please allow me to express my deepest appreciation to the Malaysia Productivity Corporation MPC and MEIF, Machinery and Engineering Industries Federation, for your unwavering support. Your commitment to excellence is the backbone of forums like this, where thought leadership converge with actionable insight. Many times we have programs that is all about what's on the ground, which is not very impactful, or about short sendiri talking. So that's what we are hoping to do today, to bring thoughts and action together. Now, I think all of you are industry players, so you understand what I'm saying when I say that we are actually at the cusp of a revolution. AI is the beginning of it, but it is at the helm. It's steering supply chain towards horizons that is unmatched with productivity and sustainability. So it's not just a leap forward, it's a leap into the future of the M&E sector, where every process, system, and decision can be infused with intelligence. We can be more intelligent. So in the spirit of revolution, I am proud to introduce MASSCI, the Malaysia Association of Sustainable Supply Chain and Innovation. Now, MASSCI was formed only a year ago. We were emerged from a disruptive world with a vision and a mission to advocate for a future that is innovative, inclusive, and sustainable. And of course, as it turns out, this is strategically aligned with the National Industrial Master Plan. Now, indulge me a little bit, I have to tell this story. So during the pandemic, what we saw was that we saw the world disrupted. So a lot of people thought of it as a bad thing, but not necessarily so. In the past, I think 20, 25 years, I've been doing a lot of international marketing. A lot of my clients are foreign governments. So I get a vantage view of what something more holistic can look like. So what a lot of people saw as disruptive, I saw as an opportunity. Malaysia, we get a lot of OEM. These are the lower hanging fruits, yeah? And we want to, if we want to move up the global value chain, we have to move upwards, ODM, things like that. Anything that involves technology transfer is difficult to get. So those of you who do international contracts, you would know. Anything that comes with technology transfer typically is a 10-year contract, easily. If you're in it, you're there. If you're not, you cannot get in. But the pandemic broke things. So for the first time, these big contracts that we all covered, that we all want, parts of it is broken. Parts of it, they need to look for replacement. That's an opportunity. Secondly, a lot of them learned that we need to fortify, which means that we need to diversify the supply chain. One chain not enough. Another opportunity. And then we also learned that we need to move the last mile closer to destination. Another opportunity. Then of course, I know it's terrible, but US and China, which means that a lot of Americans need to decouple from China, which again means opportunity. So that's why we set up MASSCI, because it is a possibility that Malaysians can enter into the global supply chain at a level that we never had if we try harder, right? So my job, as I see it, is to connect the dots. And your jobs, as I see it, is to uplift yourself so you're ready when these jobs come. Fair enough, not? So in today's program, we share insights and reflect on their strategic relevance, setting the stage for us to uplift our capabilities, to make a mark on the global stage, and to do so sustainably. Because anything new needs to be sustainable. Retrofitting old legacy things is difficult, but anything new, if it's not smart, shouldn't start. So these are not just goals, these are imperatives for our collective prosperity. We have the opportunity to foster a community that is robust, ready to innovate and be resilient to the ever-changing tides of the global economy. The pandemic didn't kill us, and we don't know when's the next one coming, right? So what we can do is make ourselves more resilient. And to do that, we need to be smarter. By aligning with the NIMP, we are not just mapping our future, we are actively creating it with each step we take, and starting with embracing AI, but also driving productivity and championing sustainability. Goes hand in hand. So this is where I hope our MASSCI journey intersects with each of you, and together we can amplify our impact for a sustainable future. So thank you, MPC, thank you, MEIF, for your support. Thank you for all of you present for your commitment to this transformation cause. As we proceed with today's forum, I encourage each of you to engage, challenge, and inspire. It is through our collective effort, all of us, that we can catalyze the growth of our industry and, by extension, our nation. Thank you. I look forward to a day of enriching conversations.